Hello, happiness. So I am here in Rebola working. I am with my beautiful Croatian colleague, and she is, what's her name?
Mary.
Her name is Mary. Could you please teach me how to speak basic Croatian language? How can I say see you tomorrow? How can I say that? How can I say it in Croatian? Herbatski, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Vidimo se ujutro.
Okay.
Sutra ujutro.
Sutra. See you.
Sutra ujutro. See you tomorrow. Sutra ujutro.
Rivola. What is good morning in Croatian?
Dobro jutro.
Dobro jutro. What is good day in Croatian?
Dobar dan.
Dobar dan. And what is good evening in Croatian? It's dobra večer. Dobra večer.